Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the October Look Fantastic unboxing for you. I didn't do one last month because I just didn't feel like it. And this month, seriously, like I need to have a talk with anyone at Look Fantastic to tell them to get their boxes back. Do you remember the days when we actually had Look Fantastic Beauty boxes? One day, everything in here will be shattered, and it will not be my fault, I can tell you that. So let's just open it up. Any guesses on what we will have? I just filmed my Panda palette update, and I said I will probably have a not sure about in here because that's just how life is. Listen, I know no one from Look Fantastic is watching my videos, but maybe a little less of coupons that nobody uses and more sturdy boxes. How about that? It would be great. Oh wow, it just... Does Look Fantastic have a crisis, or what the hell is this? I'm just a little shocked to see this. Also, there's no QR code in. What the hell is going on over there? There's no QR code. I cannot even tell you additional information about the product because how am I supposed to? No, I'm going to calm myself down. Everything will be fine. Everything's cool. It's great. So the first product that we have here is something I will not use. I will probably sell it or give it away. This is the Brushworks Lash Curler. I don't use a lash curler. I have once, and that's it. And I always pinch the skin like around the lash line, and it just hurts, and I'm just stupid to use the lash curler. So here we have this one. Very beautiful. Oh, this will be the shortest Look Fantastic unboxing I've ever done because there's not much to talk about. Then we have a Beauty Works Heat Protectant Blow Dry Cream, which I will also not use because I don't blow dry my hair. Now, is this box a joke? It has to be. It has to be. God. So, with Organol and Pro Vitamin B5. Then we have a liner by Delilah. A long wear retractable pencil in Coal. That I will use. Ooh. Oh, that is smooth. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Okay, I will definitely use that. Seriously, the shortest video I've ever done. I think I will write a nice, rather stingy Instagram post about this because this is a joke. Like, if this, I will give it until the end of the year, and if these boxes do not get better, I will cancel my subscription, which will be a shame because I had them for like years, but it just gets worse. You know, first they took away the UKL magazine that was in there, then they took away the boxes, then took away the leaflets, and now we don't even have the QR code to check out the online booklet thing. What's going on? What the hell? What? Seriously, Look Fantastic, what is going on? Are you in trouble? Are you in financial trouble? Is that what's going on? I don't know. And also, it's always the same brands that we have. Nothing against them, but we had Aspa so many times. We had Lottie London so many times. We had Washworks so many times. Listen, if you know a good alternative to, you know, this beauty box, let me know because I think it's time to change. It's just not it. So we're going to continue with the... Oh, I will also not use this one. Oh, God. The Lottie London Slay All Day Long Wear Matte Liquid Lipstick. In so good. Is this a sample size because it says not for sale? I don't know, like I always feel weird when I get sample sizes as the actual product. Because, you know, if it's... Do you remember that one box, was it 2 months ago, where we had L'Oreal samples in, like sunscreen? That was just an additional item. This is the actual item in the box, and this is a sample that's not meant for sale, and yet they sold it to me. You know, do you see where I'm going with this? So I will also not use this one because I don't like matte liquid lipstick anymore. They just dry my lips, and I tried so many different brands. They all dry my lips, so this will also not be used. Then, second last is the Elixir Skin Universal Emulsion Day Moisturizer Night Cream Serum Base in 1. So a 3-in-1. I will actually use that one. I cannot smell it, but finally something I can use again. So that is very, very nice. And then last but not least, because I cannot give you any additional information, I don't have it, is the Espa Clean and Green Detox Mask. I can smell it a little bit, and it smells just like normal natural skincare. So this is that. That was everything that was in the box, along with the coupons that nobody. I can guarantee you 85% of the people receiving this box do not care, because a lot of those things don't have anything to do with makeup. If it was a makeup coupon, people might be interested. This is a dog food coupon, and what was the other? HelloFresh. They sponsor everyone and their mother, and it makes me even less inclined to try the products, you know what I mean? So that was it. That was everything that was in the box. Let me know what you think. Like, don't listen to me ranting about it now. Just tell me your honest opinion. What do you think about this box? Keep in mind, there is no actual box anymore, and there's no leaflet or even QR code. It was all just thrown in there, no protection whatsoever. Nothing is glass, nothing can break, but still. Did you see how it looked? You know, like, so just carelessly thrown in. There's not even a wrapping, like, what do you call it, like bubble wrap anymore, or any other filling material. It's just, I can show you. I can show you. It's just one. It's just one, what do you call these? But very thin. Folded over, so 2 layers of it. This everything is on. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. 3 out of 6 things I cannot use. I will give them away to someone. You know, I cannot sell the liquid lipstick, so I'll put it into the public bookshelf. Hopefully someone wants it. It's sad because usually I don't sell things that I got in beauty boxes, but for the amount that I pay to receive such products, I want my money back, you know what I mean? So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Nonetheless, give me a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and see you next one.